In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of photos on Facebook Marketplace. If you already have a listing posted and you want a different image to appear first, Facebook makes that pretty simple to do right from the app. This is useful because the first photo is usually the one buyers notice first, so choosing the strongest image can help your listing look more appealing and professional. To get started, open the Facebook app on your device and tap the Marketplace icon. Once you're inside Marketplace, head to your profile section. From there, select your listings so you can see all the items you currently have posted. Find the listing you want to update, then tap on it to open it. After you've opened the correct listing, look for the Edit Listing option and tap it. This will take you into the editing screen where you can make changes to your post, including the order of your photos. When you're in the photo section, press and hold the photo you want to move. Keep holding it, then drag it into the position you want. If you want a certain image to be the main photo, move it into the first spot. That first image is especially important because it becomes the primary image buyers see while browsing marketplace search results and category pages. As you rearrange your photos, try to put the clearest and most attractive image first. For example, if you're selling an item, the best first photo is usually one that is bright, centered, and shows the full product clearly. This can make your listing easier to understand at a glance and may help attract more interest. Once you're happy with the new order, tap Save or Update to publish your changes. This confirms the new arrangement and updates your listing with the revised photo sequence. If the changes don't appear right away, give the app a moment to refresh. In some cases, closing and reopening the listing can help you confirm that the new photo order has been applied correctly. That's all it takes to change the order of photos on Facebook Marketplace. Open the app, go to Marketplace, visit your profile, choose your listings, select the listing, tap Edit Listing, drag your photos into the order you want, and then save the changes. It's a quick update, but it can make a big difference in how your listing appears to potential buyers.